Hey guys, it's me, Arabian Plays, back with another Island Royale video. Alright, let's go. Where do you guys want to drop? Minitown? Where's that? Oh. Alright. Well, see you guys when we get there. Jump, jump, jump. Why? I'm gonna make it there perfectly. Alright. This blue one, I landed on a blue one. It's mine. If you come to this one, I'm gonna hit you. In real life. Let's go. See, already you found a bolt action. Oh, I found a tac rifle. Seriously? Why are you guys getting all the good stuff? I only got a Glock and a tac rifle. Seriously, can I have that? Oh, I got a semi-auto. I got a semi-auto sniper. Yeah, sure. I'll take a mini. Thanks. Seriously, you found a rocket launcher? Oh, 'cause I was gonna say I have a bunch of rocket ammo. I'm good. I found some minis too. Yeah. Can I have that? Can I have the green heavy pistol? Are you serious? No, I'm good. There's no more loot here. Not really. Don't see anybody. Got a semi-auto. I'm getting my tac rifle out low, 'cause I don't want to make a mistake. You got a legendary... No, you didn't. Oh. I'm the only one that doesn't have anything very good. The only one that doesn't have anything very good. I hear shots. Jason, the other house is mine. So don't take it. Ooh, a pump. I just got a pump shotgun. Nothing? Okay. I found a blue bolt. I got excited. It's a blue bolt action. Gee. Oh, can I have that? Yeah. Yes, please. Yes, thanks. Here, wait. Here, I just got maxed. Alright. Please don't snipe me. Alright. Oh, I already had a pump. Is that somebody? No. Kill the black one. Oh, I see somebody though. Over here in the forest. I got a bolt too. Dang it, trees. That was a narrow shot. Alright, I'm gonna go rush him. Shoot, there's another one. Just missed. Oh, hit for a bunch of damage. Knocked him. Gotcha. He's not dead yet. Oh shoot, there's his teammate. Got his teammate too. I did taunt him. I'm good. Some minis over here if you guys want some. I think we're doing pretty good. I mean, there's 8 people left. Might win. Let's go to the middle of here. Why? You're giving our position. Building the stairs. Actually, he's kind of drawing. Dude, you're an idiot. You're a big idiot, dude. Where was he? Where was he? Where is he? Where is he? Shoot. Epic pistol. I see somebody. Jason! I can't. I'm sniping the other team. I'm sniping other people. Alright, what's up, buddy? Hit him. Come on. Eight. Got him. Come on. Dang it. I forgot there's people over here. Got him. Dang, dude. You got some pretty good stuff. Knocked him. No! What? No. There's no way. Nuh-uh. No. He couldn't have headshot me. No.